Hello everybody. Now if you're from Miri, I'm pretty sure RIT sounds pretty familiar to all of you because even I myself graduated from this college. But if you're not familiar, don't worry because I'll be bringing you around today. Now RIAMTEC is advancing very rapidly. Now they have new buildings, hostels for students, and they even have multi-story car park. Yo! Now without further ado, let's look at the courses they provide. Digital marketing, one of the most trendy courses today. It's about developing tools to manage new growth and also competitiveness strategy on how to project themselves. It's about data analysis and how to market their products. And all of that is available right here in RIT. Engineering. They have electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, and automotive engineering. But what is engineering? Engineering is the application of science and maths to solve problems, right? It includes all aspects of designing, building, and also testing new technologies, and also problem solving. Now even check this out, they even have 3D printer now. Hotel management is great for students who like to work in a group and organize activities related to hotel and tourism industry. And RIAMTEC is the only place offering hotel management program which leads you to high-ranking universities in the UK, such as University of Sunderland. Thank you. Now we are in the Culinary Arts kitchen, and this course is all about exploration of new ingredients and discovering something new about fusions. Students at RIAMTEC will learn international and Borneo authentic cuisines, such as this. Looks so tasty. Wait, sedap bos. Boleh tapau ah? Now RIT also offers Cambridge A-Levels, the only institute in Miri Sarawak with more than a decade of academic experience. Now they have new and spacious Cambridge A-Level science labs. They have chemistry, physics, and biology labs, which aims to provide the best learning experience. Guys, now check this out. They even have their own beauty studio. Now RIAMTEC, they offer beauty diploma courses recognized by SIPTEC. Students here will learn for facial services, they will learn regarding the water peeling and also nano needle treatment. And for body slimming services, they focus on thermal body therapy such as hot blanket and sauna. Like this, feeling 5 kilos lighter already. And where is this, you may ask? This is the Electronic and Electrical Installation Lab. Now this course prepares students with entry-level knowledge and manipulative skills for employment in the electrical industry. Now students will learn about residential interior wiring, three-phase alternating power, and etc. Lastly, Automotive Electrical. Now this course helps students prepare themselves with vehicle repair knowledge and vehicle electrical wiring systems. And they even have their own workshop equipped with Bosch diagnostic system. Okay guys, so if you have just finished your secondary school and you're looking for tertiary education, do register with RIAMTEC now with our promo code #MPT to get a 5% discount off your tuition fee. And that's it for today. I wish you guys all the best. See ya!